Hello, Donna. Happy to see you. Okay, so today we are going to make a piece of the ring by this one, by the memory wire ring. Hello, Thousand Crab. Okay, so this one is the size 8, and if I want to make it bigger, I will make it a little bit bigger like this. Hi, Linda. Hello, Teresa P. Today we are going to make a memory wire ring. It will be the size bigger. Yeah, make the size a little bit bigger. Here. This one, it will be like this. Hello, Kate. Then we will be going to use these turquoise beads. Today we are going to make a turquoise beads design. The first, I will use a small size cute pearl at the middle here, and then we're going to string the beads. This beads seems the size too small for the 2mm, so I'm going to try another side. We are going to use this another turquoise beads here. Thank you. So it's put the beads, this one. Okay. This way, the smaller size beads. We are going to make a set of the turquoise. Here, this one, okay. Then again here. And here. Okay, so I'm going to stop the piece. Hello, Tiandia. Hi, LP Lisa. Hello, Mary Lucia. And let's go. Going to glue a little bit here. Okay, then let the glue dry. Let the glue dry this way. Okay. Then before the glue, when the glue dry, then we are going to use the wire 0.3. I'm going to use the 0.3mm wire. Wrap it. We are going to use some technique make the set of this gold and the turquoise string. Okay, it's 0.3. Then here we are wrap this one, the top wrapper, wrapper. Here, this. We can cut this, the top. Okay. And the tights. Hello, Dana. Happy to see you. Then let's comb these small size beads. Okay. Then we'll use these small cute beads. Wrapper. Tight. Okay. And comb the next beads. Wrapper. Tight here. Very cute and mini ring, this one. Here. Tight. This and this here. This one here. Okay, next wrapper. You see, I want to keep this pearl at the middle, so we'll take away. And this will be the eye we put at the middle. Come here. Here, this one. And the tight with wrapper this way. Then another half come the beads. Here. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. So continue. Here. Wrapper. Wrapper. And the wrapper. The next wrapper. The wrapper. here. Tight. Okay. Thank you. Let's make some cute piece of the ring here. Thank you, my friends. If you are first time here in my live streaming, this is a place that you can learn how to making the jewelry by yourself. Okay, we wrap up. Come the beads. Okay, we glue the beads. Okay, so it's a ring. Hello, Cheshik. Yeah, we today make some direct cute rings for the set. So this one, the first piece we finish is turquoise color, and the next we continue for the turquoise color with the gold. We will make it the same color combination. Same color combination for this design. Okay, the ring size, it will come out size about 7. This ring is 7. It's going to be a size 7. Okay.